miles, trying to get away from the things I'm afraid of and everything inside.
You said that we're already done, but what does that even mean? You tell me to open my eyes, that God, it was just a dream. I guess that's how you know that it's love, when you're scared to death to leave. You said that you'd never leave, never leave.